600 po ang bigay. 600 packs. Tsaka family packs po yan. Assorted noodles, rice, at drinking water. So, actually, I'd like to recognize lang yung mga nag-donate kasi ang dami pong mga taga-private sector din na nag-donate. Of course, initially, DSWD and OCD donated. We also had Mr. Henry Chua donate, Brian Shah, Megapolitan Builders, Ryan Remigio and family, EDC, Chua Consolidated, Society Agri Ventures, galing Iloilo pa, Venvi, Surgico and Shanet, and Chowking. And I think we're still receiving at sakto lang kasi kailangan na kailangan. Nauubos na yata ang reserve namin, but slowly and surely we keep giving to the different towns. In fact, naiinis na yata si Ma'am Lilian kasi wala nang counterpart yung mga ibang towns. So mahirap po yung balancing act na kung ilan ibibigay. Siyempre, gusto po namin ibigay lahat. But at the same time, kailangan i-validate, no? Na gaano karami ba yung affected, may reported ba, di ba? So, dapat may sistema din. But as much as possible, Ma'am Lilian and I and all of us here at PGIN are trying to give as much as possible to as many people as possible na rin. Kaya lang, as the days go on, sana may mga repeat na rin, diba? Kasi yung mga one pack is good for siguro 1 day at the most, no? So, kailangan din ng double or triple amounts na rin.